We're here tomorrow on Tommy Fardell's farm looking at the swallow hole that he has fenced on his farm and what other drainage work that was done on it. He is part of a group of 3 farmers in the area who volunteered to take part in this pilot fencing project of their swallow holes and streams that were on their land. The source that they are protecting provides water for over 1,000 people in our area, and it is one of the worthwhile things that we have to do to protect that source, because if we can reduce the pollution that goes into our source, we'll reduce the amount of treatment that we need and the amount of energy that we use in protecting the drinking water that goes to our customers.
In this swally hole here, you can see yourself how deep it is. It's approximately 15 metres deep. That water comes along, runs over about 30-40 acres. It comes along there and drops down there like a waterfall. It disappears straight away. It gets straight in to our local group water scheme, Corracreigh. And it is, to me, it's great to have it protected for going forward in the future.
Together with the Roscommon Mental Health Services training workshops, we came up with the idea of making these little bee bug hotels. They're not up to any specific specification, but they're a nice idea, and they sort of encapsulate the idea of doing all we can at local level to improve the biodiversity in our own small locality. We hope to give one of these to every family that's on the scheme. We have currently given one to every family that has children attending Canina National School, and they were very delighted to get it. It's a great credit to the people who work with the mental health services in Roscommon that they came on board with us for this project. It just goes to show you that when communities come together, they can draw different sections of the community to achieve a common aim, which is at the end of the day to improve where we live, be it in the biodiversity or in the water quality. It all improves our general way of life.
The integrated catchment management approach focuses on science, but it also focuses on community as well. And what's happened on the Corracreigh Group Water Scheme has taken great leadership by one of our managers, Thomas Rushe. It's fantastic to work with people like Thomas, who are very well respected and trusted within the community itself. That trust enables the measures that we need to protect our water sources to be put in place. The importance of the trust that Thomas and the Group Water Scheme Board carries in implementing these measures cannot be underestimated. They're well known, they're well respected within their local communities. It's about getting people to do what they can on their land itself. All the little measures that they each can do all accumulate.